Ibe square ndo like ibe straight yabo. Guess what just arrived? Ba 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 ba. Kaloku funeka kubekho ezazibhakho zaseklabhini xa usenza a big purchase. Here's my fridge, guys. Decided to go with the bar fridge because, guys, how big is my space? It's absolutely tiny. So I think I better up. Move the mirror a bit. That's my suitcase, guys, from the weekend. Move my mirror a bit and then put it here. I'm not too sure. But yeah, since we're going for the hotel vibe, I got fridge in Gulu, a hotel, Cooper fridge. So it's gonna work out perfectly. I'm gonna put the microwave on top of it just to save some space. And also, what am I gonna put in the fridge, guys? I don't want to bulk buy. I want to buy weekly, so it's gonna work. So this is the day before my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Also have another package from Take a Lot, which we'll unbox some other day, guys. I'm so exhausted. I'm not even gonna show my face on camera. But yeah. Guys, I've opened the box already and I didn't get a lot of stuff. I just got myself a hot comb. I think it was like 160. And then I got myself a new straightener because, wow, I've had my straightener for close to 10 years now. And yeah, Kyla, and it's not getting as hot as it should. So I got this. I think it was on 90 as well. All the TikTok girls is Kalangai. So hopefully it does the job. And then I got skincare, The Ordinary niacinamide. This basically helps with my hyper. Hopefully it's gonna help with my hyper pigmentation. Niacinamide and zinc. Obviously, you guys can see. And then I also got some squalene oil serum. It's for hydration, Gavin. I did my own research, guys, so do your own. Yeah, well, it's from Fundamentals, which is a South African brand, I think. And then I also got myself some pure perfume oil from Impression Oil. It's a dupe, or it's inspired by the Jo Malone Freesia and Pear, I think. Yeah. English Pear and Freesia, and I just put some on and it's giving Jo Malone, guys. So this will be my birthday scent and my summer scent. At first it seems oody, but then now it's wearing off and it's, yeah, settling in with my scent. So yeah, this is all I got from Take a Lot, my fridge. And this morning, guys, ngitimang vlog. Today's 2 days after my birthday, guys, and wow, I had nothing planned. I literally bought myself a sheep's head because I sell it at Spa. Guys. And then I bought myself 2 ngudus of Savannah because it was scorching hot and I was parched. So I obviously get my lift back home. 2 of my friends who are also my colleagues, Umeli no B, they're like, hi bo, I'm trying to get perfect. So they literally kidnapped me, guys, and the rest is history. So Izolo, bende wrong, Izolo, which was the 5th. So I'm only coming back to myself today because Kaslali, literally, 35th got God. Thank you so much, guys. It was such a lovely surprise. I appreciate you guys so much. So today is Friday. I'm packed and ready to go to work first, obviously. Then I'm going home, and then that's when the birthday festivities will start. But it's nothing too hectic. It's just going to be a little lunch at either Highlander or Azura. I'm still debating where I'd like to go. But I wanted to show you guys my toes because the last time you guys actually saw as an update how they came out. They came out so cute. And then I want to show you, I got some scents from a new place called Homage. So I want to plug you guys. They smell crispy, crispy, crispy. So I'm just going to prop you guys up and then we will, I will show you rather the perfumes. I don't know how well you guys will see because the lighting is obviously terrible. I did white gel, guys, white toes until I die, and I don't even want to try the pastels, which the girlies are going on about. But yeah, I really like the white. And we had the eyelash and then it was only $100, so yay for me. I'm trying to get the best possible lighting, guys, but it's literally impossible because it's like 6:30 in the morning, guys, and that bulb is boring me in my shot. However, let's move, guys. I bought 3 scents. This is the brand. You guys, I don't know. Yeah, this is the brand called Homage. And Homage is, they say, honor shown publicly. I saw an ad on Instagram and I hopped onto it, and they had quite a nice range of designer inspired scents. It's obviously not the real thing but dupes, but I'm gonna try it today and then I'm gonna give you guys a review of how long it lasts and the projection and stuff like that. So I got Dolce & Gabbana light blue. I used to love this scent so much. I think that's why and then I also got my, this is the bottle obviously, and then this is the dupe of Le Labo Santal 33. The girl is on YouTube and on TikTok go on about Santal, but also different numbers. And the way this smells, at first I'm like, it's not something I'm used to, but it's growing on me, and I used this one today actually. It's actually growing on me so much. I don't know how to describe it, guys. Like, I really don't know how to describe it. It's in my hair. I really don't know how to describe it. It smells like money. That's all I can say. And then they also have the usual, like, Opaka Ruban, Estee Lauder. Just hop on there. I think I'll leave the link down below where I got it. And then lastly, I got my boyfriend, the Creed Adventures. I really hope he likes it. It smells... And that's the thing about me, guys. Like, I can't buy something for myself and then I leave everyone out. So I don't think it's a bad habit, but okay, whatever. Guys, what's gonna need on my skin? But anyway, guys, I will catch up with you guys when I get to East London or tomorrow, depending. But I've got such a long day at work in England because, like I said, there's an order coming up and wow. So in my hair, guys, I use this other spray. So I got baby demasol, and then I put the hair growth gel in it, guys, and I think my hair is growing so fast and then it's becoming undone so quickly, and I really hate it. And I just had no time to get my hair done, like, because I just got it done. So I don't know, but I'll beat my face and no one will actually see that my hair is bye, guys. Well, people who's going to buy you 180. Who's going to buy 180? What's the certificate? I don't like mixed bouquets. What? Why are they 204? I'm not gonna buy flowers for that. I'll check out the job. It's not that deep. What is this? I bought baby 109. Oh, That's so boring. So boring. So boring. Cheers. Happy birthday, Gala. Happy birthday.
Salud. 35. He's just aggressively good looking.
He's so conceited.
I know.
Okay, guys, we're cheersing to what? 35.
35.
He's also 35.
35 and fried. And alive.
Very cool. Cheers. Oh, can't put it in the poison. My brows are so aggressive. I didn't even greet you guys. These are one more going to a long vlog. As it progresses, of course, cutting on. Go sitting me. This is a supper dog. Yo guys, the vibes were immaculate on this day. I had such a beautiful day. But yeah, like they say, I was living in the moment. That's why I got like 0 to none footage. But anyway, enjoy the pictures. Good morning, guys. Long time no chat. Last night was a jump, Shem. Like it was a jump, and dinner's Vubeko, as you guys can see. However, so Lily wasn't part of last night's celebration, obviously. So we're just waiting for our Uber. There they are. So we're just waiting for our Uber, and then we're going to Lavender Blue for brunch. Lily, say hi. Later, guys. Hello. As in because of the guys. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Okay, our Uber's here, guys. Later. So we just found a place to stay up apparently. You know, this place to stay, a place to sit up apparently. We're gonna wait for our food. I said the baby papalaza sana. Yo, the number chumbachu. Say hi, one case. Come on. Trip. I don't know what to say to you guys. Like, they're go. They're fuck off at you. Thank you, God, for another year. I have another year to love, laugh, and shop. Thank you for my family. I had such a beautiful weekend. See you in the next one.